Ole makihiki ho to the Smart Woodshop fam. This is a SWISSSTN, and it's only for the Smart fam. So if you're not part of the Smart fam, you can just jump on to the next video. This one isn't for you. If you're part of the Smart fam, I'm going to tell you exactly what a SWISSSTN is. SWISSSTN, Smart Woodshop Smart Shop Tour Notice, SWSSSTN. SWISSSTN. This is a notice for Smart Woodshop Tours for the Smart fam. The acronym SWISSSTN may stick. That may be our bat signal. Hey, there's a SWISSSTN for the fam. Let's jump in and see what is going on. Or this may be the only time you ever hear it if it falls on its face. I am reaching out. This is the call out, the bat signal to the Smart fam. I want to come to your shop. I want to look at what you're doing. I want to record it and share it with the rest of the Smart fam. You all have to admit how much you liked dropping into Paul's shop on the last tour. That was the first one. I was very rough, not very good with the cameras, not very good with the audio, not very good with my interview skills. But fortunately, Paul shined. His shop, his tools, his creation sparked so much interest that I didn't even get a single comment about the poor white balance and things that I just struggled with. But I learned a lot. I learned about how to be a better interviewer. I learned exactly how I'm going to be setting up the cameras. I'm even getting a different or an additional camera to add to one I have. So it's going to get a lot easier and better. I want to practice some more. And I want to do it close to home so that I can get out quickly and do a few, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the next month or two. As I record this, this is the last video that I'm recording in 2025. This is the last day of the year, December 31st, 2025. Hopefully I'm going to get the video up today. If not, at least you'll know when I recorded it. If you are in the Pacific Northwest, including British Columbia, which is just right there, my grandkids are visiting for Christmas, and we just took them out to this awesome Afghani kitchen right there in Surrey, 30 minutes from here. So if you're in that area, Surrey, White Rock, Vancouver, just across the border there, then you're part of this group of being in close proximity. If you're in Blaine, Ferndale, Bellingham, Mount Vernon, Burlington, Anacorta, Cedar-Woolley, further south, Stanwood, Marysville, even Everett, possibly Seattle, maybe that's going a little further than I want to go, but maybe Bellevue going east, Snohomish. You know the area if you're in this area. Somewhere I can travel to within about an hour and meet with you. So if you are interested, if you're in that area, then be sure to drop me an email. Actually, everybody, whether you're interested or not at this time, go to thesmartwoodshop.com, link in the description, and sign up for the email. If you sign up for that email list, no spam for me, it will only be to communicate something important to the Smart fam. Something like this, where instead of making a video and hoping you see it, I can send out a call, I can find out whoever is in, say we're going to go to the Texas area, find out everybody there and send all of you in the Texas area an email saying, hey, we're coming to do a tour in Fort Worth. Anywhere in the state, we'll come and do as many as we can while we're there. That kind of thing. Additionally, if I can work out some deals with some tool companies, some vendors, suppliers for coupons, competitions, things like that, say like Festool, they've done it with us in the past where they provided some prizes for a competition we had, and they were like drill kits and stuff. So if I can do that, then I can send out to the Smart Fam saying, hey, we're gonna have this, get it all set up, and then we do the video to have the competition, or if it's just a discount coupon just for the fam, I'll be able to send it out. So those are the kind of things. Nobody else is gonna get your email. I hate to have to say that, but I know how it is. A lot of companies want to get you on your email, and then it just seems like they email you every single day. We're not going to do that. It's just going to be for stuff where we're really trying to communicate. So sign up for it, even if you're not ready for us to tour your shop. But if you are, then drop an email. Even if you're out of the area we're talking about for future stuff, we'll start a list in a regional and start putting it together so we can really bring them together quickly. But the more immediate response is for those that are in this area, this region, please sign up for the email, but also you have to go a step further and email us directly from there. Just send us the email, tell us, a little bit, and I'll follow up, like where you're at and, what you're doing. Just real brief, just a paragraph bio, just so I can pick through, and then I'll respond back to the ones we put together. Actually, to everybody who sends an email, I'll respond. But as I put them together, then I will respond, and I'll have some questions. As part of me getting better, I'm going to have interview questions or more to get to know you from afar, and I'll have you just respond to those, and then I'll be able to go back and forth so that when I show up to your shop, we'll both know what to expect. Since this video is just for the Smart Fam, I don't need to remind you about the Smart Plans. You know where to get them. One more encouragement. You know how much you enjoyed dropping into Paul's shop. You know how much you enjoy dropping into other people's wood shops and looking at their tools and their setups and how they do things. The same thing for your shop. Even if it's just working out of a trailer like this or a van, or whether we would go to your job site, as long as you've got permission, to see how you install cabinets or flooring or how you hang doors. There's so many things that we can do, so many tips and tools and techniques. There's so much that you can share, and that's what the Smart Fam is. We want to freely share our knowledge, our little bits. And you know what? Some of us old codgers, we really need to pass on our skills. But the young folks coming along that feel like you don't know a lot yet, you would be amazed. You know stuff that we don't know. I learn from the younger generations every single day. You have something to offer, and together we can put it all together. You can make us old guys better, and hopefully us old guys can pass along a little wisdom and help speed up your skills so that you become the older, wiser guy with better skills than we could ever think about having. So remember, we all love to vicariously drop into people's shops. Participate, comment. I encourage you, sign up for the email, and make your shop available. Let's work together and make 2026 a bright and prosperous, educational, and fun year for the Smart Woodshop fam and for the world around us. Happy New Year.